Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel with the new lecture. Dear friends, today in this important video lecture I am gonna talk about for a small house plan which dimensions are 22 feet by 39 feet. So if you have to design a plot and that's dimensions are 22 feet by 30 feet, so you can do the same design which I have done on this board. Okay, let's start. If the video is helpful for you, so must like the video and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering updates. First of all, I will tell you for this plot which you can see, my diagram is not good, but just for understanding you, this is sample plan on the board. Okay, so you are able to read and you are able to see everything in this plan, right? So size of this plan is 22 feet by 39 feet, right? You can see the width of this plan or this plot is 22 feet and its length is 39 feet. Now here I will discuss its specification. Guys, there are here in this plan, right? Bedrooms numbers two numbers of bedroom are available in this plan. Kitchen, one number. Living area, washroom, water closet, bathroom, staircase, veranda, etc. Okay, so these are specification. It means in this size 22 by 39 feet plot we have these things which I have discussed, right? So let's start. As you can see guys, here from 22 side or I will start from here, right? So here this is road. Okay, here the first one, this is main gate. This is the acronym. Okay, M means main and G mean gate, so this is main gate. So here guys you can see this is the free space which dimensions are 10 feet 6 inches or 10.5 feet by 5 feet 2 inches. But remember guys, boundary walls, all boundary walls are 9 inches and internal walls are 4.5 inches, right? Boundary walls 9 inches, internal walls 4.5 inches, means half brick, right? So this is free area which dimensions are which size is 10 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 2 inches. Here you can see guys, this is the steps for this veranda, as you can see. So the veranda is veranda width is 3 feet, same like its stair. So this is 3 feet. Okay, you can see guys, this is veranda. Now this is the area. You can see here you can put flowers, etc. Flowers, for flowers you can use it, right? Okay, now you can see guys in veranda. Okay, this is main gate. This is main gate. This is indoor gate. Okay, for this living room. Okay, so you can decide it's you can take 5 feet, 4 feet, etc. Okay, but I didn't mention the dimensions. Okay, so this is gate. Okay, here the first one guys, you can see this is living area which size is 15 feet 10 inches by 10 feet. Okay, means this is here from this point. Okay, from this one to this. This is 15 feet 10 inches and its width is, this is the width. Okay, its width is 10 feet, right? Now guys, here the front of living room, this is what? Staircase, which width is 3 feet. Okay, I have already mentioned here. Staircase, veranda I've already discussed. So guys, you can see here this is door for kitchen which size is 10 feet by 10 feet by 10 feet by 8 feet 10 inches. Okay, this is kitchen. Okay, this is 8 feet and 10 inches. Okay, and its length is 10 feet. Okay, now guys, you can see this is open to sky and this is the small door for open to sky to this area. okay, and you can see this is window for this kitchen. Now here this is the other door for bedroom, which size is 11 feet 4 inches by 10 feet 8 inches. Okay, now you can see its window for open to sky to this place. Okay, this is open, which is 2 feet and 8 inches, right? Here guys, you can see this is washroom for this bedroom, which size is 6 feet by 4 feet. So this is 6 feet and this is 4 feet, right? For this bedroom, this is washroom. Okay, now next to this, you can see this is water closet for all project or for all plan or for this house. This is the water closet, which size is 4 feet by 3 feet. This is 3 feet, width is 3 feet and its length is 4 feet. Now here you can see this is open to sky, especially for ventilation, which size is 3 feet by, you can see 3 feet by 2 feet and 2 inches. Its width is 2 feet 2 inches and it's 3 feet. Okay, length is 3 feet. This is open to sky. Next, with this water closet, you can see this is bath, which length is 6 feet and its width is 4 feet. This is bath. Okay, for this plan. Now guys, its ventilation is here for this, and for this bedroom this is also ventilation, and for water closet this is also ventilation. So therefore it's open to sky. As you can see, this is also ventilation, open to sky, this is open to sky, etc. So therefore we use open to sky area for its ventilation and also for its drainage system. Okay guys, so I've already discussed the living room. Now you can see this is door for this bedroom. BR means bedroom, not bathroom. Okay, so this is bedroom, so I will write full bedroom. Okay, which size is 10 feet by 4 inches by 9 feet. So this is 9 feet and this is 10 feet 4 inches, right? Length is 10 feet 4 inches and its width is 9 feet. As you can see here guys, you can see its ventilation window, sorry, this is window. Okay, this is also window for this veranda and this is door. This is staircase, which width is 3 feet for first floor. So guys, this is a small project, but it's a good idea to design for anyone. If there is a person and they need to design a plot which size is same like this, so I think this is a suitable design for your clients. Or if you are engineer and or architecture and you want to design a plan for your client, so this is a good idea and best idea. If the size is same, so you can do the same design for his project. Okay guys, so these are specification which I've discussed the front of you. So guys, if you have any question about this video or this plan, so you can comments, and if there is any mistake, so you can also comments that there is a mistake and we should not do it like this, so I will check it. So this is a plan which I have discussed the front of you. If you have any question about this video guys, so you just comments, I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching, see you in next video. Goodbye.